Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I hope you're having a great day today or the day of your choice. I hope you will like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, I finally have received my Jeffree Star Supreme package. And this was 180 doll hairs. And I was supposed to get it last week, but there was an ice storm and a snowstorm, and it delayed my package getting here by 4 days. So let's get in here and see what I've got. The shipping was free, but for $180, it should have been free for sure. I can't wait to see what's in here. If I can get through the tape. Let's see. Oh, still not cut on the other end enough. There we go. It finally popped. The box has popped. And it looks like this on the inside. I'm so excited to have this box. Oh, very nice. There's a postcard about Jeffree Star Skincare, which it says is coming out 2/25/22, which is later this month. And this is what I have so far. And I'm going to put everything down here and pull it up as we go through it. And there are 5 exclusive things. And the first thing on top I already have is the Love Me, Love Me Not Lippy Extravaganza. But it's beautiful. And I love these colors. So that's great. And that is a nice value right there. A little tissue paper. Woo! Then we have, it looks like my exclusive clothing. And it looks just like a black t-shirt so far. Oh, it's got a pink Jeffree Star logo with a heart. And it says, Heartbreaker, Dream Taker, Love Maker, don't you mess around with me. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Then, here we are. We have, I believe this is the highlighter palette that was promised. It is, it's the Heartbreaker Palette. And I'm definitely looking forward to this. I'm a huge fan of Jeffree Star highlighters. And these are super exclusive to this. Oh, wow. And it looks like almost like Neapolitan ice cream. And we have Single Forever. Murderous Fun and Frosted Heart. I don't know that I would use any of these highlighters. But it is definitely a collector's item, for sure. It's probably going to go on my Macari. But that's super cool to have an exclusive item. Then we have a lip scrub in, I have to put my glasses on. I can't read anything today. Velour Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet, which is delightful. That's one of my favorite flavors from my youth. I don't need to show you what the lip scrubs look like. I don't believe. Then we have an Orgy palette, my least favorite palette. And then we have a bunch of other stuff. We have Supreme Gloss in Improper. Glad I got my nails done today. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. I don't have any of the Supreme Glosses, but that is a stunning color. I like that. Then we've got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, this must be the little ring light for your phone. It comes with directions. Very cute. A little USB charger. We have some more the glosses. And this is in Control Freak, which, let's see. These are always so tricky to open. This is gonna take me half the video to open this. It's a very pale pink. It's a very pale pink. I can't get that out of there right now. Then we have the gloss in Let Me Die Perfectly Clear. Let's see if we can get this one out. Oh, it's a clear lip gloss, which is fantastic because I don't have a clear lip gloss from Jeffree. That is very nice. We've got some single shadows. And I do have a single shadow palette that I've been putting together over here. So I can add more to my collection. And we have this beautiful gray, which is called 1985, which that was part of my senior year of high school. Then we have Only Child in this pretty dark gray. Then we have Owl Eyes in this beautiful gold. Yak Farm is in this really nice brown. Winter Wind is in a really nice dark gray. So that's great. So that's 5 of those. But wait, there's more. We have a Velvet Trap lipstick in Ranch Girl. I just love these bullets. And that is a beautiful color. I don't use bullet lipsticks, but that's gorgeous. I do love his lip balms. I've got a lip balm and a tinted lip balm that I use a lot. Then we have, what is this? Velour liquid lipstick in Cutthroat Love. And this looks to be maybe an exclusive color. Let's get this out because I gotta see this because this is in my top 3 lip formulas, the Velour lips. Try not to wreck this packaging. Let's use these scissors to help. Why is everything so hard for me today? Oh, yeah. I'm keeping that. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That is not what I thought it was going to be at all. That is going in my collection. Then we have Magic Eraser in yellow, which is good for color correcting. We have the Calabasas in the Jeffree Star Velour lip liner, which this is one of my favorite colors, Calabasas. If you've not seen that. It is that color. It is gorgeous. And then last but not least is the Heartbreaker mirror, which is just fantastic. And I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to put this on Mercari because I can't use regular mirrors because I can't see up close because of the age. I'm aged. I'm getting old, but this is beautiful. And this rainbow packaging is everything. So we got a lot of stuff. So we got the mirror, we got the ring light, we got Orgy, we got 5 single shadows, we got a beautiful velvet lip trap and Ranch Girl, we got a beautiful pencil, we got this stunning Supreme Gloss in this plum color, the Magic Star Concealer in yellow, this Heartbreaker highlighter, 2 glosses, 1 in clear and 1 in this beautiful soft pink, the Sherbet lip scrub, and the bundle of red lips in Love Me, Love Me Not. So this was a really great package. I did get some things that I do like, but for the, oh, I almost forgot the t-shirt. Heartbreaker, dream maker, love taker, don't you mess around with me. Oh, so that's a lot of stuff. And some of this will be going on Mercari, and I am Dolly Raw on Mercari. And we'll see how everything else shakes out. But I hope you've had a great day with me and enjoyed my unboxing. I've had a great time having you here. I hope you have a wonderful day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.